Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The Bitcoin market is extremely choppy right now. You have to take what it gives you, and like CryptoFace says, roach out. That means exiting positions as soon as you can with a profit. Unfortunately, my long entry from yesterday at 102,400 got stopped out early at 102,600. Another failed rally to 104,300 pushed price down fast. Let's see what the weekend brings. Looking at my flashback market stats indicator, weekend volume is still low. Historically, Monday shows the strongest gains with an average of plus 2% and a 52.5% chance of closing green. Sunday, on the other hand, has recently become one of the weakest days with over 50% of closes ending negative. Now check this out. Total liquidations in the last 24 hours hit $304 million. Of that, 255 million were long positions. Looking at the one-day liquidation heat map, we can clearly see where those longs got hit. Market makers are targeting the hot leverage pocket around 102.2 thousand, which has been gaining traction for 12 hours. If this area gets fully cleared, expect a drop to around 101,900. That's where the rest of the long leverage cluster sits. Personally, that pressure spooked me out of my long yesterday. The structure looks like it wants one final flush before any bigger move up. What's crazy is this short-term bearishness comes while ETF participants keep aggressively stacking Bitcoin. Total ETF inflows for the day are already at $130.5 million. And that's without BlackRock's numbers. Based on previous patterns, we might end Friday with 300 to 400 million in total inflows. Institutional buying is going wild. In just 7 days, we've seen $5 billion flood into Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs disclosed $1.65 billion. Abu Dhabi's wealth fund added $511 million. Michael Saylor's firm Strategy bought $1.34 billion. Hong Kong's Avenir came in with $863 million. And Next Technology put in $600 million. So with that kind of capital entering the market, this chop feels like intentional market manipulation. It looks like the market makers are shaking out every last trader before the next big breakout, potentially to 120,000 and beyond. I will keep posting these updates daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.